Alright guys, I just want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new furniture wooden dog crate. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, so starting off with the build, putting this together was very simple. The pieces fit together well, everything lined up, and once you got the screws tightened, it was really solid. All the tools did come in there, but I did end up using my electric screwdriver just to make it a little bit quicker. Right away, you can tell it's not just some flimsy crate, it's built well. Once it's set up, I'll show you what I actually really like about it. The thing is super solid. The frame uses thick iron bars, so it's not bending or flexing if your dog leans on it or even pushes on it. They also welded the bars together at the joints, which just adds a little more strength. Each door has 2 locks too, so even if you've got a dog that likes to mess with the doors or paw at them, they're not just popping open, it will be secure. The wood slides seem very nice and thick, not like the cheap stuff that just chips and cracks easily. It feels like something that's gonna last. And what I really like about it is it doesn't just look like a crate. You can actually use it as furniture. You can put it in your living room as a coffee table, a TV stand, or even as a nightstand. Right now on mine, as you can see, I just went ahead and put some of her doggy stuff on there, but it really does blend in and doesn't make your space feel cluttered. Size-wise, it is about 29 inches long, 20 inches wide, and a little over 22 inches tall. Perfect for small to medium-sized dogs like Chihuahuas, Pugs, and other smaller poodles like my dog Millie. My dog fits with no problem, plenty of space to stretch out. I also like the 3 doors. You've got one in the front and one on each side, so no matter where you place it in the room, you can easily get to your dog, clean the inside, or move the stuff around as you need to. And I like the little design touch with the arch doors. It just makes it look nicer and more like a regular piece of furniture, which is exactly what I wanted. Overall, if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new furniture wooden piece for your pet, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.